Hey guys, so my package came in. Don't worry about my shirt. My shirt is allergic to basic, as I should. Anyway, I think we know what this is. I know what this is. I'm excited. Yes. I think I know. It is. Let me open it up. I want him. He's mine. He's mine. Yes! I'm so excited. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god, my little emo heart is screaming right now. I got this off of eBay, bro. Look how big he is. It's so cute. His head size is the same as the Build-A-Bear. Maybe it's even bigger. Oh my god. Look at him and his little teddy bear. This is so cute. Look at his cheeks. Oh my god. My life. I love this. Thank you, eBay. Thank you. Thank you. My heart is filled. Look at him. He's so cute. Ah!